So, Alexa, how many pictures do you have about your China trip?
I took about 900 pictures.
900?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I took like 1,500.
You took 1,500 pictures? Well, yours was a photo trip, though.
Yeah, there.
Oh, wow. Jan Term is an opportunity for students to either take a class here on campus, get an internship, or study abroad. I actually did a study abroad Jan Term last year to China, and this year I'm doing an internship.
In the days leading up to the trip, we had class sessions beforehand where we would learn about kind of what to expect, learn about the development of music in China and how regionalities affected culture and music and even food.
We had a great time. We went to 3 cities, Beijing, Shanghai, and Xi'an. We visited the Great Wall. We saw the Terracotta Warriors. We went with 2 professors, and there were 14 people on our trip. So there were 12 students and 2 professors. Really get to know people on a different level outside of school and in a more fun setting.
On Jan Term, I did study abroad in Ireland and England. We learned so many different things about theater and saw so many different types of plays. It was just a good way to get exposed to it. If you've never known anything about it before, or if you have, it was just enjoyable just to see all those different plays and see the different historical aspects of those countries.
Being able to just kind of sit in little coffee houses all over in England and Stratford-upon-Avon, it was really fun to just kind of sit and take in the culture and just kind of experience the country.
How about you? Like, you were in Italy.
Yeah.
I've been to Italy. Where were you in Italy?
We were in Venice, Milan, Rome.
The Jan Term I got to go on was an awesome experience. I went with Sue Bloom, who's our digital photography professor, and she's wonderful. She would push you to try different things with your photography. Instead of just taking that picture dead on with everything dead center, she would encourage us to, try something else. Sit down, kneel, try to take it from above, drop down an exposure or two, something different. I guess the highlights of my trip would be trying different foods. I'm kind of a picky eater, so I'd have my friends push me a little bit out of my comfort level when I was there, try something new.
My Jan Term experience, the study abroad one that I did, I went to Cameroon. So Cameroon is a really interesting and fascinating country. Just kind of different types of people. We went to a really rural village where they still practice polygamy, and we met the chief and his 3 wives and their children, and that was an interesting experience. I hope to work for some nonprofit organization that will eradicate poverty around the world or domestically in the United States. So definitely every personal experience that I've had where I'm meeting somebody new definitely helps, because now for me Cameroon has a face, or many faces to it. It's not just some place on the map that I can kind of refer to, but now I know people there and I have seen it, I can imagine it in my mind.